Hi there folks, I'm back in Paisley today for another wee video. Before I go any further, if you really enjoy this channel and you like what you see, if you could like and subscribe to this channel, amazing. And if you subscribe, if there's a wee grey button, a wee grey bell, and if you click on that, you'll get all the notifications of when I put up new videos. And every new subscription and every new click on the bell really does help this channel grow, so it's always really appreciated. And excuse the sirens, I'm in the town centre. So for this video, I'm going to be going to the Christmas light switch on in Paisley Town Centre. There's going to be reindeers, Christmas fairs, Christmas stalls, so as well as the turning on of the lights. Hopefully it'll be a really good event, and I'll be taking as much video as I can to kind of give you all an idea of what's going on. And really looking forward to it. This is actually the first Christmas light switch on I've been to in a few years, and should be a good day. See you in a bit. Some of the shops have nutcrackers in them. Just turned onto the high street. And yeah, quite a lot of things going on. I think these might be the reindeer.
Sorry.
Long queue to go see Santa. And let's go back up the street.
Oh, my nights are so long. It's my life and family. And what if I died here? Won't be my role model. Now that my role model is gone, she's gone. She's up back down the alley with some roly-poly little rat-faced girl. And all along,
Give me some cheer! That was awesome! This time it's been singing.
I think Abby's going to be stowed out.
Hello.
Hiya.
Welcome, Kevin.
See crafts in here. Sounds very Christmassy things. So I'm going to have a nosy.
She's got to get on the sides and then the car.
A lot of really pretty art things.
Well, look over there.
A
well, so they're all different grains, different woods.
Is that a medium, a fancy, and a heavy?
I'll let you.
Some really good ideas for Christmas presents.
Right.
Right.
You sure you don't want Why is that better?
Oh, I've decided to treat myself to get myself a mint flavoured cookie. Oh, so a mix with a cookie and a brownie. Be delicious. They're on Facebook and Twitter, so I'll be kind of giving them a look. Tried a wee bit, and it's amazing. So, very busy in there. I suppose it's always been doing really well. That's always good. Well, it's been 20 minutes. And the lights get turned on. And it's even. Probably can't quite see in this, but there actually are people waiting and watching for this side of the river at Forbes Place.
Where's you like come up?
And here comes Hi folks, well that's me back from the Christmas lights turn on in Paisley Town Centre. Brilliant night out. Always love seeing the Christmas lights. The Christmas fair on in the Paisley Abbey was absolutely brilliant. Some great pieces of kind of creative art, just creative pieces within the actual Christmas fair. So it was a good night, and I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.